Hi Kalpana, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good, ma'am. What about you?
Doing great, thank you for asking. How was your day so far? What did you do?
Uh, I did as usual work, household chores,
Okay,
not interesting.
you are busy with everything.
Sorry?
Do you have a very busy schedule?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. I have very busy schedule, and
Okay,
moreover, however, I take some time from my busy schedule. Then I practice on my English.
okay. Is it very difficult to get it?
Yes, ma'am. It's very difficult. Uh,
Okay,
there is a summer vacation, so children are at home, and my father-in-law also here, and
oh my
so it
goodness.
is hard to manage to everything.
Yes. What time do you have your dinner?
Before 8, my family members uh, have dinner.
Before 8. Wow, that's good. Are you health conscious?
Yeah,
What do you do for your fitness?
I am fit, so I don't do anything advanced like yoga,
Okay.
meditation. I do nothing, but I do only eat at time.
You eat on time. Okay.
Yeah. Breakfast breakfast time is 9 to 10, and dinner time is 1 to 12. It's fixed time.
And do you eat healthy?
Yeah, I eat healthy,
Okay.
and I'm not in the habit of eating junk food,
Really?
and
And what about your
and
kids?
not. What about my kids?
Yes.
Yeah, they eat only that which I give them.
Oh,
Once in a week, once in a month, they have desire to eat
uh-huh.
momos and chow mein. Once in a month,
Only once in a month.
once in a month,
Okay.
burger like.
You're a very strict parent?
No, but I make everything in breakfast, everything at home, like
Okay.
dosa, idli, uh, uh, cheeseburger, everything I make at home, so they are happy.
So nice. Perfect.
Yes,
Food
ma'am.
is 10 times better than outside food, right? 100
Yes,
times
ma'am.
healthier.
Yes, ma'am. And at evening, my daughter and my husband uh, don't take food.
Really?
Yeah, they eat only chila and salad and poha, oats, light food, only light.
Okay.
Even
They are more.
I have eaten chapati. I have eaten a chapati 3 times, but my daughter and my husband don't take eat chapati, dal, anything in night.
They are more health conscious than you.
When he comes, like my husband comes at after 9, so that I make chila and suji chila, dal chila, moong dal chila, besan chila. I make everything oat chila, and that is very light to eat, and it is very easily digest.
Yeah, it's easily digestible. Awesome. My goodness. You have a busy schedule, still you take care
Yeah,
of health, right?
yes, ma'am.
That is
Because in dinner I have to make uh, mm, roti dal, me and my son, and for my daughter and my husband, they are separate desire. My daughter wanted to eat poha, and my husband wanted to eat chila. So
okay.
so I made poha in dinner for my daughter, and I will make chila when my husband comes.
Okay. Wow, man. Hats off to you. Kudos. You value the benefits of good health not only for yourself but also for your family, and your kids are so young but you take very good, you discipline them actually, you know. Now Kalpana, everything
Even
is going to be easy peasy, you know. You don't have to bother about anything, you don't have to worry
oh
about anything.
yes, yeah, I don't have any bother to manage everything, but I take deep breath, then I think what to do and where to start. Then I start.
See, this requires effort, time, energy. You need to invest a lot of efforts, but it's better than your family falling sick, right? You falling sick. This is a good route, a better option, very wise.
Yeah, yeah. I think every homemaker uh, to do these kind of things because health is more important than money. Money is
Ab-
also important, but health
yes,
is also important. More than health is important more than money.
absolutely. It's the most
So
important thing. And without good health, is there any life? Tell me.
no,
There
no
is not.
man without health. If we have a disease, so after getting disease, we can't eat anything. Like there are lot of disease like diabetes, thyroid, and in diabetes, I think patient can't eat anything, fruit, sweets, and
Yes,
because fruits have sugar, okay,
absolutely.
and sweet he doesn't take. And so I think I see I saw in my family that my mother is diabetic patient, and she has thyroid and pain in knee, and pain
Yes,
is back. So I saw um, there are many difficulties to live. So
exactly.
then I decided I want to be a health conscious to my family. So
I want to
I
be health
prefer,
conscious for my family.
I want to be a
Health
health
conscious.
conscious for my family.
Super. Very apt, very correct, and perfect way to deal with things. Do you know people are, especially women, are not all this bothered. They don't care much, and their family goes for a toss, and then it's a
And
night.
my father-in-law is here. So and the breakfast time 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, I give him tea and biscuit, and 9 o'clock I give breakfast, and 1 o'clock I give lunch, and 5 o'clock I give again tea, whatever he wants to eat in a snack, and 8 o'clock I give uh, dinner, and in night if he takes curd in a dinner, so I will not give him milk. Otherwise, at 10 o'clock in night, I will give him milk. So this is the schedule.
Wow, he must be so happy now with you taking good care of his diet.
Yes, ma'am.
Superb. You are a role model because
So there
everyone
are
wants to go
so
for a shortcut. Let us order. Let the kids have. It's okay. It's okay. They want to pamper the kids. They want to spoil them, and they feel this is love. But real love is taking, giving them a disciplined life and giving them the right values.
yes, ma'am.
If you give them these values now, their entire life is sorted. So you're speaking very well today, fluent, confident, nice vocab, correct grammar. Only this last part was wrong. You teach your son, you don't learn your son. So English is also going places for you. You're achieving
Yeah,
new heights.
in a day, I am taking 3 sessions.
I think you want to join school now as a teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to join school as a teacher, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Do you give tuitions also?
No, no. Currently, I'm not. I have not started now, but in next month I will start.
In next month, wrong. Next month I will start.
Next month I will start.
Yes. It's because this is vacation time, no?
Yeah.
So which
So,
subjects and
if we,
classes?
so, ma'am, we can say I will start from next month. Yeah, in next month.
From next month.
From next month
Next month onwards. This is also what you can say.
onward.
Yes.
I will start from next month onward.
Either from next month or next month onwards.
Okay. So I will start from next month. I will start next month onward.
Yes. Correct. Don't you think you're growing very well with your English language?
Uh, yeah, I think it is growing. I take few steps so I can see very few changes.
But I can see some nice changes. You don't need to worry much.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, you're nice. Growing well. We haven't had many sessions, but I can assess very well that, yeah, you are definitely growing. In a very
Oh,
short span of time, I can see the difference. So that's wonderful.
oh, that's good for me
Yeah,
because
that's good.
I'm not able to see my changes.
You need the lens of a teacher like me, to
Mhm.
assess the changes.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
relax.
ma'am.
You really are changing. Last time I met you, there were a lot of the grammatical errors with you, and the style and the manner of speaking was also different. But now you're
Okay.
loaded with confidence, and grammar is pretty good. The main thing is grammar.
My grammar was good.
Your grammar is pretty good now.
Okay.
I saw only one mistake. I showed that was one mistake you made. Other than that, it was pretty sorted.
Okay. That's good for me because
It,
I put I put lot effort
lot of
in
effort.
learning. I
See, you're
put
very
lot of effort in
passionate.
learning.
Yeah, I can see that. You're serious and very, very passionate. So you will get the results, no? You're putting in a lot of hard work. Why you won't get?
Yes.
The more we work, the better results we get. So absolutely it's working for you.
Okay. So today, on hearing this, I have become more confident.
Perfect. Confidence is the first step. Become confident, rest all will follow.